I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to disable two-factor authentication on your Monzo account, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Monzo app. Launch the Monzo app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Go to Settings. Tap on the profile icon in the top right corner to access your account settings. This is where you can manage various security options. Step 3. Select Security. In the Settings menu, find and select the Security option. This section contains all your security-related settings, including two-factor authentication. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. Look for the toggle switch for two-factor authentication. Tap it to turn it off. You may need to confirm your choice through a prompt. Step 5. Verify changes. After disabling, check to ensure that two-factor authentication is indeed turned off. You can do this by revisiting the security settings. Remember, disabling two-factor authentication can make your account less secure, so consider the risks before proceeding. If you have any issues, feel free to reach out to Monzo support for help. Happy banking!